This ultralight feels more like a luxury aircraft. Meet the Flight Design F2, a next-generation ultralight built for pilots who want more than just flight. Crafted from advanced carbon composite and powered by a Rotax 912 IS engine, it delivers smooth cruise speeds around 115 knots or 213 kilometers per hour. But performance is only half the story. Inside a spacious cabin, Garmin avionics, airbags, and a ballistic parachute create a flying experience focused on safety and comfort. With impressive range and refined handling, the F2 transforms every journey into something effortless, proving ultralight aviation can be both powerful and premium. This ultralight is built for power, comfort, and control. Meet the Evektor SportStar RTC, a versatile ultralight designed for both training and adventure. Powered by a reliable 100-horsepower Rotax engine, it cruises smoothly around 213 kilometers per hour, delivering consistent performance for cross-country flying. Step into its spacious two-seat cockpit and you'll notice outstanding visibility, modern Garmin avionics, and comfort that makes long flights effortless. Built with durability in mind, it offers easy maintenance and an impressive range of around 1,300 kilometers. With stable handling and dependable performance, the SportStar RTC proves that ultralight flying can be both practical and exciting.
What if a tiny aircraft could outperform your expectations? Meet Swiss Excellence Ryzen, a micro-ultralight aircraft redefining what lightweight really means. Designed for precision and efficiency, it features a sleek high-wing structure with aluminum and fabric construction that keeps it incredibly light, yet strong. Powered by a compact 28-horsepower engine, it cruises smoothly at around 55 miles per hour and can push up to 63 miles per hour. But here's the real surprise. Its 700 feet per minute climb rate and short takeoff ability make it feel far more powerful than it looks. Stable, responsive, and pilot-friendly, this aircraft proves that true performance isn't about size, it's about smart engineering. This ultralight is built for pure speed and control. Meet the Pipistrel Virus SW, a high-performance ultralight that pushes the limits of its class. Built with advanced composite materials and powered by Rotax engines up to 115 horsepower, it cruises effortlessly near 246 kilometers per hour and can reach speeds close to 302 kilometers per hour. But it's not just fast, it's smart. With a long range of up to 1,616 kilometers, a quiet Kevlar-reinforced cabin, and modern avionics, every flight feels precise and comfortable. Add short takeoff capability and an optional ballistic parachute, and you get an aircraft designed for both speed and total pilot confidence.
This ultralight is so fast, it feels illegal. Meet the JMB Aircraft VL3 Sprint, a machine that completely redefines speed in the ultralight category. With its sleek carbon composite low-wing design and powerful Rotax engine, this aircraft isn't just quick, it's explosive. Cruising at around 240 kilometers per hour and reaching top speeds near 280 kilometers per hour, it rivals high-performance sport planes. Its aerodynamic efficiency, optional retractable gear, and ultra-smooth handling create a flying experience that feels premium and precise. Step inside the modern cockpit and you get comfort, control, and confidence. This isn't just an ultralight, it's pure performance, engineered for serious pilots.
This ultralight doesn't just fly, it dominates the sky. Meet the Alpi Aviation Pioneer 300, an Italian masterpiece that blends speed, style, and precision. With its sleek low-wing design, retractable landing gear, and powerful Rotax engine options, this aircraft cruises effortlessly at around 250 kilometers per hour and pushes close to 285 kilometers per hour. Inside, side-by-side seating under a bubble canopy gives you unmatched visibility, while modern avionics keep every flight smooth and controlled. Built with a lightweight wood and composite structure, it delivers sporty handling without sacrificing comfort. Whether for adventure or cross-country travel, this ultralight proves performance can be both powerful and refined.
This ultralight flies like a high-performance beast. Meet the Aerospool WT9 Dynamic, a Slovak-built ultralight that delivers serious performance in a lightweight frame. With its sleek carbon composite low-wing design and powerful Rotax engine, it cruises smoothly between 240 to 260 kilometers per hour and can exceed 300 kilometers per hour in optimized conditions. Inside, a roomy side-by-side cockpit and modern avionics create a refined flying experience. Its responsive handling, strong climb rate, and aerodynamic efficiency make every flight feel controlled and exciting. Whether you're chasing speed or versatility, the WT9 Dynamic proves that ultralight aircraft can truly compete with bigger machines.